On this Ram truck, after 1 year and 10,000 miles, I'm gonna check my K&N filter and see what is condition of it. Do I need to clean it or not? I can use 10mm wrench or any screwdriver, flathead or Phillips, to take the filter out. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these screws to take out all the way around. One cool thing about these screws, they stay in housing. We don't need to take them out, so we will avoid losing them. Here is the filter. Let's take it out and check it. It looks pretty clean. Like I said, 10,000 miles and a year and a little over. Doesn't look bad. Inside of the housing, before air filter, looks a little dirty. I'll vacuum this small debris. If I have dirty filter, I will need to use K&N cleaner by applying it all over. Put it on the filter for maybe 10-15 minutes, wash it with the water and let it dry completely naturally, and after that apply some of this air filter oil and wait for filter absorbing it and put it back in housing. That'll be it. Because my filter is not dirty, I'm not gonna use cleaner. I'm just gonna apply some air filter oil after I air dried or blow all the little debris out, and I'm just gonna oil it barely anything, just to avoid it to be dry. I will put it in a cardboard box to avoid spilling everything, oil all around, and I'll go from the top to bottom and apply it gently all over and let it dry for maybe 10-15 minutes to absorb all this. While I'm waiting for the oil to absorb into filter itself, I'm going to use clean lint-free cloth and clean all this oil around. After 15 minutes, it is dry, absorbed into fabric of the filter, and I'm gonna put it back. Make sure that it sits nice all the way around, and that you align all these screws into holes, because sometimes they tend to miss the hole while we're putting it together, and that may cause not desirable trouble. All done. I will record the mileage and the date when I did cleaning and oiling without using K&N cleaner, and give it maybe 10,000 more miles and check it again. That is what it takes to check and refresh a little K&N filter. So far so good. Thank you for watching.